Hi guys, welcome back. This is Aditya here. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to do lower abs. So 5 exercises on the lower abs. One is double leg raises, reverse crunches, flutter kicks, then Caesar, then 1 minute elbow plank for the whole core. So in this, I'll be teaching you the breathing pattern and how to avoid lower back pain or injuries, people who have got, how to prevent it, and the correct posture and the muscle and mind connection, how to maintain. And make sure guys, don't depend only on this. The diet plays very important role. 80% diet and 20% exercise. There's a saying, abs are always made in kitchen. So now I'll introduce to my fitness partner Natasha here, and if you are beginner and if you are lower back pain, you can follow Natasha. Intermediate and advanced, you can follow me. So first I'll show you each exercise, how to perform, what is the breathing pattern, then we'll start with the reps. Okay, lie down. Okay, the first one is double leg raises. In the double leg raise, the breathing pattern is when you lift both the legs, it's exhale. When both the leg goes down 1 inch off the mat, it's inhale. And people who have lower back pain and people who are beginner, your hands make a diamond shape and keep it here, right underneath your tailbone, taking support. So it prevents too much stress on the lower back. If you don't have a lower back, intermediate and advanced, you can keep your hands besides both legs straight. So this intermediate and advanced people can do it. People who have lower back pain, make a shape of this hand like a diamond shape, put your hands inside your lower back. Now both legs straight, double leg raises. Now lift both the legs up, exhale, inhale, slowly, exhale. So the breathing pattern for double is when we lift both the legs, it's exhale, and make sure you don't keep your knee straight, slight knee bend on that, and inhale slowly down. Always quantity matters, okay? Quantity doesn't matter, always quality matters. I've seen a lot of people abs 100, 30, 20 doing faster, that not going to be effective. Always the quality matters than the quantity. Always concentrate. Muscle and mind connection is very important when you're working out. Now exhale up. Make sure you don't lift your lower back up doing this. Just a 90-degree legs. Inhale down. Exhale up, maintaining your core from your navel. Whenever I say core tight, it's from your navel, not from your upper or middle. It's always from your core. Inhale up, exhale up. Inhale down. Exhale up. Inhale down. Okay, so this was the double leg raises. Now back to reverse crunches. Same thing, people who are beginner, lower back pain or lower back injuries, take lower back support here. Advanced, you can keep your hands besides here. Okay, now start legs in a tabletop. First in the posture into legs in a tabletop. Now exhale, crunch, knee towards your chest. Inhale, 1 inch off the mat. Exhale, inhale. Slow guys, I have told you before, the quality matters, not the quantity. Okay, now one more time, and your tabletop, this posture is tabletop, it doesn't go towards your feet guys. I've seen a lot of people doing this, and again they swing it, again they straight it back. Don't do that. Maintain the feet here. Okay, crunch your knee towards your chest and inhale straight. Exhale, squeeze your abs when it come up, then exhale straight. Okay, again core tight from your navel when you are squeezing it. Now hold there for 2 seconds when you are doing a reverse crunch. When you squeeze, hold for just 2 seconds into this posture, then slowly back 1 inch. Don't do it fast. Always muscle and mind connection. Now back. The third one is the flutter kicks. Okay, people who are advanced can drop both the elbows this way. People who are beginner and having lower back pain or lower back injuries, lie down. Same thing, take lower back support. First for beginners. Okay, now start flutter kicks. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is flutter kicks, maintaining your core tight again from your navel here. Okay, because that's most important while doing abs, maintaining the core. Now for the advanced people or intermediate, she's going to drop both the elbows and she's going to do. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this was the flutter kick. The next one is the Caesar, like a Caesar, cross leg. Same thing, the position for the people, for the beginners and people who have lower back pain. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, next one for the advanced, same thing. Drop both the elbows, maintaining your core tight from your navel, muscle and mind connection. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, this wasn't. Then last one, elbow plank for your whole core. So in this, either you can make your hands parallel, either you can interlock your hands. So it depends on you, whichever you are comfortable. But the first main thing in the elbow plank is your shoulder and elbow should be in a straight line. Okay, start. Now her nose or a forehead is parallel to the fingers she has interlocked. Either ways you can keep your hands parallel, depends on you. See, her shoulders and the elbow is in a line. And I've seen a lot of people in the elbow plank pushing their lower back down. This puts too much stress on the lower back, doesn't work on your core. And I've seen a lot of people pushing this way. See, when you push back, your elbow and your shoulder are not in a line. There is a lot of stress on the shoulder and the elbow. And don't lift too much, it's not going to work on your core. It's always here, okay, center, little up, keeping your core tight again from your navel and muscle and mind connection. Always here towards the abs. So this is the correct position. Elbow, shoulder, elbow in a line, head or your forehead or the nose parallel, keeping your core tight from here. Okay, got the posture, back. Okay, now we'll start all these 5 exercises: 15 double leg raise, 15 reverse crunches, 20 flutter kicks, 20 Caesar, and then elbow plank. Okay, first main thing is, while doing any exercise, warm up. So to prevent back injuries or the back pain or too much stress on the back, we are going to show you how to do a warm up exercise before you start abs, and afterwards also you have to do to release out the stress on the lower back. So first is Bhujangasana, feet close, toes pointing out, hands besides your chest. Okay, now as you inhale up is a breathing. Don't shrug your shoulders, relax your shoulders down, don't extend your elbow, slight bend. Inhale down, exhale down. Inhale up 5 times, guys. Exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Last 2. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, look up, exhale down. Last 1. Inhale up, then slowly exhale down. From here we are going to go to mountain, then go to child pose. Okay, put on your ankle, try to reach front, stretch, palm down, don't put your forearms, always palm down, but on your ankle. 15 seconds here. Okay, back. Now the next one, lie down on your back, both legs straight, hand shoulder level, both hands palm facing the ceiling, legs in a tabletop. Now as we exhale, drop both the knees towards the right and turn your neck left. Inhale center, exhale left, turn your neck on the right. Inhale center, now both legs straight. Now bend your right leg, hug it. Exhale, chin to the knee. Inhale, head back. Exhale, change leg. Exhale, chin to the knee. Inhale, head back. Now bend, hug both the knees. Exhale, chin in between your knees. Inhale, head back. Okay, now this was a warm-up, guys. Before you do ab exercise, that's more important. It puts less stress on your lower back, okay, and you can prevent injuries on the lower back. Now we'll start with a workout. Okay, beginner and the people who have lower back pain can follow Natasha. Others, intermediate and advanced level, can follow me. Now both legs straight. First one is double leg raises. Okay, first muscle and mind connection. Now slowly exhale up with a slight knee bend. Sorry, inhale down, slowly down. Concentrate. Quality matters. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep breathing, guys. Exhale up, inhale down more. Concentrate. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Slowly. 14. Muscle and mind connection, most important. 15. Okay, this was double leg raises. You can either take a 5 seconds break. Don't take too much break in between the sets. Whole together is one set. Okay. Now the next one is reverse crunches. Legs on a tabletop. First, exhale. Squeeze your abs just towards your knee. Then slowly straight back 1 inch. 2. Don't be fast. Come on. 3. Slow. Concentrate. 4. Squeeze your abs. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Last one. 14. Last one. 15. Okay. The next one is flutter kicks. Maintaining your core tight, muscle and mind connection from your navel tight here. Then you start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Next one is Caesar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Okay, guys. Now next one is the last one. Elbow plank for 1 minute. Okay. So start. Always keep breathing in this posture. Don't hold your breath. Don't put your neck inside like chin to the chest. Always neck down. Always look down, sorry. Don't do this one. Inside. Put your neck inside. Always look down or little forward. Maintaining or don't push your lower back down. Lift it up a little. Elbows and shoulders in a line. Keep breathing. Don't hold your breath. If you're holding your breath, you'll not be able to hold for longer time. Breathe. Last 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, this was altogether 5 is one set, guys. So if you're a beginner or just having a lower back pain or you're just beginning for the lower ab exercises, make sure you progress every day. Do 10 counts of 3 sets, then increase the reps like 15, then you increase the sets. You can go till 5 sets. If you're only doing the ab exercise one day, concentrating on the lower abs, you can add 5 sets, then 15 counts each. Intermediate and advanced, you can directly start from 15 of all this. Beginners, progress every day. That's more important. Now after this, okay, make sure the cool down, and to release the stress on your lower back, you have to do these exercises because abs put a lot of stress on your lower back. Okay, now lie down again. What we did before, the same thing before starting off this. It's important to stretch. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Last two. Inhale up, exhale down. Last one. Inhale up, then back to mountain. From here, sit in a child pose. 15 seconds. Then back, lie down on your back. Hands shoulder level, legs in a tabletop. As you exhale, drop your both legs, knees towards right, turn your neck on the left. Center, left, and turn your neck on the right. Center, both legs straight. Bend your right leg, hug it. Exhale, chin to the knee. Hold here for 2 seconds. Inhale back. Change leg. Exhale, chin to the knee. Inhale back. Now bend, hug both the knees. Exhale, chin in between your knees. Inhale, head back. Now just roll front and back. Give a nice massage to your spine. Just tap your toes. 1, back. 2, 3, 4, last one. 5. So this gives you a nice relaxation to your spine. So hope you got all the exercise for the lower abs, the correct form, the breathing pattern, how to prevent the lower back pain while doing it, the warm-up exercise, the stretches afterwards is the most important thing. And don't forget to maintain a healthy diet. 80% is diet, 20% is exercise. Hope you liked the video, and don't forget to one more thing guys, I think the coming videos will be on the upper abs. This was on the lower abs. Next one will be on the upper abs, then obliques. I'll be covering it all. And hope you liked it, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.